Okay, so it's been a while since I've picked up a camera and recording, but we think we might have found something on Facebook Marketplace which is amazing. So we basically want to just get there and see, because we were planning like to do a living room situation, update, upgrade, whatever. But we have an issue when it comes to the storage. Like, we collected so many things over the years, and now we feel like we actually do need to like upgrade the space. So with this thing that we found on Facebook Marketplace, we're going to this guy and see if we actually like it, and if we like it, then we're going to bring it back. And obviously I'll show you guys what we do find when we get it. I'm not sure if I'm going to be filming when I get there, because it's been a year without recording or picking up a camera, and it's a bit nerve-wracking, so we'll see.
Hayi, kodwa ayihlelile. Yaba permanent.
And reverse in.
Awuthanda ukuphawula wena.
Ufuna ibethelele back. Yeah? Ufuna ibethelele back. Eso stress kaloku so ibethelele. No, no, why you moving this? Do you want me to talk like this so that you can know that I'm from Malawi?
If you break it, it's on you. It's your responsibility.
I wanna know I'm burning up. Cause wow. Christmas. Yokuzibona noba kwi-frame okanye awukho kwi-frame. But what we need to do is to remove all of these things, put them on the side, and we bring in the new baby. And we're not painting moss. We're not going to paint it. Maybe so decide in the long run whether it's worth it or not. But for now, it will have to stay as it is, because wow. Okay, so now we've started clearing the shelf and that space there that leads closer to the bathroom. The aim is to have the shelf along this wall and remove this metal shelf here. We'll find a space for it. Mike, siqale singene. Okay. Woo! Senzima. Dala loo nto amejasha ii-tiles ukuze umntu ndibhalanse. Yayasinda sisi. This is Merry Christmas. I hope you had a great festive season. Please see attached for payment. Because wow. A notification from WhatsApp. Umkhaba wami ke sana utsho uba uthethile kakhulu apha. Ndilungise umkhaba. Le nto yenza uba ibe ncangathi phaa kube khona i-deep fry. Engazezimosha ividiyo zini. Definitely needs a color change. Yeah, that's surprised to go back to November. No, we need to make sure by ear right. Looks straight to me. See, those were her words. Those colors are. Put your lips on mine. I love it when we hide in the pale blue sky, floating on clouds. You feel the winds are turning round. 'Cause what goes up must always come back down. I'll be safe in your arms, like the light in the day never part. I'm looking down the line with you by my side. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and this is it for this week. Please remember to subscribe, share with your friends, or even like the video. That would mean a lot to me. I'll be coming up with another video this coming week sometime, and I really hope you really did in fact enjoy this video. Thank you so much.